In this video, you are going to see how I add the background music for my video clips, and this is like the updated version for the 2026. Previously, I uploaded a video that also works, but now I made it some tweaks so that you will also use that in your daily workflow while editing. So the first thing is, in the timeline, add the music track. After adding it, the first step I do is I select that track, go to the Essential Sounds panel. Then from the presets, I choose the balanced background music. It takes some time to process, and as you can see, before and after the audio levels are changed. Next, what I do is I listen this music along with the audio of my voice. If it is too much loud, I can easily decrease the decibels from here. The sweet spot here is -8 all the way up to -24 works beautiful. And also it varies from music to music. So for this soundtrack, I'm making it as -22. Now moving to the another step, this is what I added recently. Go to the effects panel and search for mastering. Under the special, you can see the mastering effect. Drag and drop this to the music. After that, go to the effect controls and you can see the mastering option here. Click on edit. From here, select the presets, make room for vocals. Now you can clearly listen the differences before and after. So these are the steps I'm following in present. If in case still I want some tweaks, I do the EQ as well. Simply drag and drop the parametric equalizer, then go to the effects control, edit, and from here you can change the mids, lows and high frequencies for the music track however you want. But this step is very optional. Just try out these steps. So that's it, guys. If you practice these, you will know how you can add the background music for your video tracks. If in case you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel for more video editing as well as YouTube related videos and tips.